A soon-to-be PC gamer posted this picture thinking he was ready to build a gaming PC, but he soon realized that he royally screwed up. He posted this picture asking if there's anything to improve before assembling his first build, and honestly, the specs are pretty good. There's a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, 32 gigs of DDR5, an RTX 4070 Ti, and a super clean NZXT motherboard. Did you happen to see what's going to be cooling that Ryzen 7 though? He's got it right underneath it. He's using the Vitro V5. Now, the V5 is a good budget CPU cooler, but I personally wouldn't pair it with a 7800X 3D. But that is not the main concern here. If you look over here, there's also an NZXT Kraken 240 AIO. I don't think he realized what he did until half of Reddit told him.